Hey guys, this is Ben Finley at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we are standing in front of this 2023 Grady-White 326 Canyon. This boat is here equipped with the ocean mist gel coat. You've got light blue, looks good on the water. As well as you'll notice, the underside of the T-top matches the gel coat. Come back towards the back here. You notice the swim platforms, great for getting in and out of the boat of the island. And this boat is equipped with a V6 300 Yamahas. Let's step aboard the boat, take a look inside. Hey guys, now we're in the bow of the Grady-White 326 Canyon. I want to show you up here your access to your windlass and your controls for up front, for up and down motion. Coming back towards here to your massive sun lounge. This centerpiece here removes, so you can walk all the way to the front to get to your windlass or fish up front as well. And here on both starboard and port sides, you have insulated storage as well as dry storage. Keep all your stuff dry for the day, and your backrest here. You notice rod storage here for fishing. Stepping towards the back here, come in here to your head. You have rod storage down below as well as storage cabinets here and up front with your macerated toilet and your freshwater sink. Coming back towards the helm here, this boat does have the helm master system with joystick, your integrated autopilot, and plenty of room here to fit your multifunction displays. Your life jacket storage up here and 3 helm chairs across so everybody can sit comfortably behind the windshield. Coming towards the aft end of the boat, you have your sunshade here, and as well up top you have your 18-foot Deluxe carbon fiber outriggers for doing some trolling. Here at the landing post, you have a big live well, another freshwater sink, bait prep area, and tackle storage here, as well in these drawers. Keep all your lures, your tackle organized and dry. Towards the transom of the boat, you have another live well here, and your big insulated fish box to catch the day nice and cold. As well as your rear seat flips up down here, give you plenty of room in the cockpit. You notice for your side entry door, has a magnet on the back. Keep everything nice, neat, and clean. Like I said again, guys, my name is Ben Finley at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come by and see me. Thank you. Have a good day.